How to turn on save stories to archive on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on save stories to archive on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then go down again. Here you will find stories, click on it and then just click this one, story archive, and turn it on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.